Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and this is the Strong Hand Rhino Cart. The Rhino Cart features a 48 by 30 inch by 5/8 thick top. It's nitride coated and accepts 5/8 fixture tooling. This table was built with 2-inch hole center lines, and if you use and abuse the top side, can be flipped over for a clean work surface. The base of the Rhino Cart features caster wheels that can support up to 1,500 pounds and gives this cart easy mobility. It also features leveling feet for stationary use. The Rhino Cart also features storage locations for all your fixture tooling, as well as extra shelving for additional fabrication equipment. The Rhino Cart can be purchased as a standalone table or with an additional 66-piece tooling kit to get you started on your fixturing projects. And because this table accepts 5/8 BuildPro tooling, it makes it real easy to expand your capabilities. There's a number of different table accessories available to turn your Rhino Cart into a mobile fabrication station. For more information on the Rhino Cart, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high-performance tools for the fabricator.